If your 2008 Ford Explorer is only blowing air through the defrost vents, you are likely dealing with a common blend door actuator failure. Studies show that a massive majority of these airflow issues stem from a simple plastic gear stripping inside the climate control housing. Let us break down how to accurately diagnose which component is actually failing. Start by checking the vacuum lines for leaks, then listen for a clicking sound when you switch between different vent modes. The culprit is usually the blend door or mode door actuator, though a faulty vacuum check valve can also cause the system to default to defrost. If the actuators check out, look at the climate control head unit or a potentially clogged cabin air filter restricting your airflow. You can handle minor vacuum repairs and filter swaps yourself, but major actuator replacements often require a professional shop. Costs vary wildly, from cheap DIY vacuum fixes to expensive labor charges if the entire dashboard needs to be pulled for access. For advanced troubleshooting, use a scanner to check for HVAC codes and a multimeter to confirm that the actuator is actually receiving power. Make sure you have trim removal tools and a small socket set ready, as working in the tight spaces behind the dash can be frustrating. Always disconnect your battery before touching any wiring near the dash to prevent accidental shorts. If you're still stuck, drop your specific symptoms in the comments below for more help.